those endangered crane species set up for breeding right here at the safari park. And every now and again, folks, we do a process called cross-fostering. Now, what happens is, on occasion, we get a pair of adults that are not ready to take care of those babies. Yeah, it happens to birds too. So what we do is we cross. One person laughed at that. That's great. We cross-foster the babies out to a more experienced bird parent. It works out very well. Crowned cranes get the name for those tightly woven feathers you see on top of the head. You may have seen a different species of crowned crane, the West African crowned crane, when you enter the park today. Beautiful flight, Taji. You love that landing gear. Very nice. Give her a big round of applause. That is Taji, our East African crowned crane. They got the same walk. See that?
Yeah.
Now everyone talking about cross-foster. Eagle owl. There he is. Now a myth about the owl. One, it is a myth that sunlight harms his eyes. During the day, Thatcher sees 10 times better than a human being. At night, this guy sees 100 times better. And not only that, folks, a bird like Thatcher here, good ducking, he can hear a mouse step on a twig from over 75 feet away. 75 feet away. And it doesn't stop there. Now look at those feathers. Feathers help him blend in to his environment. Also creates what we know as silent flight. Now the leading wing feathers there on Thatcher's wings muffle the rush of the air. Now that ability allows the owl here to surprise his food, well, before they even knew they were on the menu. Now they are so good at what they do, at blending into that environment, at being a stealth hunter with that silent flight, that normally the prey doesn't even know that Thatcher is there until it's a little too late. So everyone, once again, one of our boys flying on stage, that beautiful chestnut brown, and look at that wingspan, slightly smaller wingspan than, say, the owl that we saw earlier. The Harris's hawk needs to be an adaptable species. Now, this bird is primarily found in a desert-like environment. Very hard to find prey out there, so it's that cooperative hunting that makes him so successful. Now we're going to give you a closer look at Mesa's brother. So everyone, what I want you to do, take a seat as soon as you can for me and direct your attention to our hillside, and I want you to meet Yuma. Now, Yuma is the big brother of Mesa, and again, you can see that wingspan I was talking about. Very versatile flyer, these birds. They can take down coots, egrets from the sky as well, extra long legs. Now, those extra long legs enable this bird to flush prey from the ground as well. This species of hawk can hunt amphibians and reptiles, mammals and birds alike. And again, it's very difficult to find prey out there in those desert-like environments, but it is with that versatility, with that cooperative hunting, that makes this species of bird so successful. This bird is found in the southwestern parts of the United States. If many of you are from, say, Texas, Arizona, Nevada, you may have heard of this beautiful bird before. And we're going to get one flight down to stage, and he did such a good job. Everyone, give a big round of applause. That is Yuma, our male Harris's hawk. Good job, buddy. Above your heads in 1 second. Miss, sit down for me right now because she's going to be flying above your heads. Now again, this is a very large wingspan here, and with that wingspan, and again, stay in your seats for me, folks. All right, everyone, that's Calyphia, our female Andean condor. close look, I know. Now, she represents her wild brothers and sisters. Now, they were having issues in their own right, mainly due to their size. Look how big this bird is. A lot of individuals thought that this species would hunt their livestock. Others thought they're children, which is not true at all. Again, this is a scavenger. This is nature's first recycling center, basically, is where we're getting at. Heather can show you that wingspan. It's, again, one of the largest on the planet, next to the wandering albatross, folks. So graceful, flying over the Andes in South America. Over your heads here at Amphitheater, Beppo Amphitheater. Let you in on a tiny little secret, though. You get a big bird with that huge wingspan off of the skies, down on the ground, and when they walk around, what do you think, Heather? They kind of run like a chicken? Yeah. A very ungraceful chicken, but folks, give her a big round of applause. That's not him at all. You guys, what are you doing? Okay, Larry, Curling, and Mel are crashing the party, but guys, you gotta go. We're gonna fly a meat eater. What are you gonna do, right? Okay, now that they're out of the way, one more time, focus your attention to our hillside and meet Oz, our ferruginous hawk. Ladies and gentlemen, Oz, and that was our show. Thank you so much for joining us in today's bird show. You're a great crowd. Have a wonderful day here at the San Diego Zoo Safari Park. Happy New Year, everybody. Have a great day.
Subscribe!